Barbados, located in the eastern part of the Caribbean islands, is a tropical paradise that is known for its stunning beaches, crystal-clear waters, and diverse marine life. The island is home to over 80 white sand beaches that provide the perfect backdrop for soaking up the sun, building sandcastles, or enjoying a variety of water activities. Snorkeling and diving enthusiasts can explore the island's many coral reefs and shipwrecks, while water sports enthusiasts can indulge in kitesurfing, jet skiing, kayaking, paddleboarding, deep-sea fishing, and surfing. Barbados is also known for producing some of the Caribbean's best rum. Visitors can explore the island's rum distilleries, sample different types of rum, and learn about the island's rum-making history. For those who prefer to stay on land, Barbados has plenty of hiking and biking trails that offer scenic views of the island's lush vegetation and rolling hills. Overall, Barbados is a must-visit destination for anyone who loves the sun, sand, sea, and adventure.